Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Henry. Henry writes from Sayreville, New Jersey. And Henry writes, I heard they may roll back the property tax deduction limitation from the last tax bill. Is that true? What will the impact be on New Jersey real estate? Well, that's a good question, Henry. So SALT stands for state and local taxes. And yes, as a result of the tax reform bill in 2017, those state and local tax deductions were subsequently capped at $10,000, which is tough in New Jersey where property taxes tend to be higher. And so the SALT Deductibility Act, which is being talked about, and if passed, will restore those old deductibility options for people in places where they have higher state and local taxes, like in North Jersey, for example. So there are 6 of New Jersey's 21 counties where property taxes on average are above $10,000. So renewing this deductibility through this Tax Deductibility Act would have a big impact in New Jersey residential real estate, particularly in North Jersey where property taxes tend to be higher, because now buyers and owners can deduct all of their local property taxes. So there's actually, when you look at the 3 counties in New Jersey that have the highest property taxes, the third highest is Union County, the second highest is Bergen County, and the highest property taxes on average is in Essex County. And I think that if this Tax Deductibility Act is passed and those deductions are restored, those 3 counties in particular, homeowners, buyers, owners in those 3 counties, Union, Bergen, and Essex counties, will benefit the most from it. So thanks for your question, Henry. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.